All right, so although we have a bunch of volatility in the market due to the talks with China about tariffs, I had a student who took advantage of the opportunity yesterday. I want to share this with you guys. The student, Derrick, he had messaged me. He had gotten in on the US30 sometime shortly after the market opened. And he messaged me, he said, "Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in your life, Mr. Scott." He said, "Just wanted to send you these trades that I just took using your logic about gaps in the market, okay?" And he said, "I grabbed nearly $700 in the first 35, 40 minutes. This material is crazy brilliant, bro." He said, check out when I closed them at 136. And if you guys can see on the screen, he closed out $680 worth of profit. And then he went on to tell me, but that's when I saw it. I said, "Thanks so much for the Happy Mother's Day wishes, Derrick. And likewise, bro." I said, "These trades are great. Some stuff in the market is just so obvious, okay?" And I said, "What a way to start a successful week." And that's when he said, "I pretty much remembered what you mentioned about trading the news and how the market would react in similar circumstances," okay? Now, listen, if Derrick wasn't familiar with how I teach to trade the news, although there wasn't any news at the beginning of the day, there are similarities with what happened, all right, and what I teach when it comes to the news. There's a logical point that Derrick was able to catch, and I'm sure maybe other students, they were able to catch as well, that he took advantage of, all right? And these are the little things that so many people, they miss when they trade on the market. And you know, it's the minor details that you have to really be familiar with to take advantage of every opportunity in the market, all right? So kudos to Derrick for taking advantage of this. And you know, the market is shaping up pretty well for today. Listen, if you're in need of learning how to trade on the US30, you guys know what time it is. Get connected to my Telegram and take advantage of these many opportunities that are being presented in the market. All right, peace and blessings, everyone.